Guys, this video is going to help all of us, especially those of us who are not earning high salaries. This particular video can help you. If you have like zero savings in your bank account now, before you finish watching this video, by the time 2024 is over, you can get at least 10,000 Ghana cedis in your savings account. So if you're someone who is interested, be sure to be part of this video. And I believe by 2024, you come here and say, thank you. The reason why some of us, even if the year ends, we don't have any money in our savings account or something like that is because we want to get enough money. We want to get plenty money before we save. But it's not like that. If you want to be thinking like, oh, you want to get enough money before you put in any savings and all that, like you can't save anything. You see the year pass by and you will not save anything. So let me take you to a WhatsApp group where, a friend has been sharing his financial knowledge with us in that particular group. So let me take you through so that you can see how you can easily save money, and by the time you get into 2025 you can get enough savings for yourself. So now if you check this page, they break down everything into pieces. Like for instance, we have like 365 days in the year, and we also have like 53 weeks in a year, and the same time 12 months in a year. So what they did was that they break down everything with a specific amount that you're supposed to save, and at the end of the year, you will see how much you'll be making. So let's see. The first one, on daily basis, if you're saving like 1 Ghana cedis a day, if you're saving 1 Ghana cedis a day, you are going to make like 65 Ghana cedis at the end of the year. You see, that's how much you'll be making. Now, if you're saving 2 cedis a day, you'll be making 730 Ghana cedis at the end of the year. It continues. Now, if it is 3 cedis, you'll be making 1,095 Ghana cedis. If it is 5 cedis that you are saving every single day, you get like 1,825 Ghana cedis into your savings account. And it goes on. If it is 30 Ghana cedis that you are saving, you'll be making 10 Ghana cedis. 950 Ghana cedis. So if you are saving 30 Ghana cedis a day, 30 Ghana cedis every single day, before 2024 ends, you get like 10,000 Ghana cedis into your bank account. So this one, you can choose from any of this. You don't have to say because your salary is too small and all that. You can choose any of this for yourself, and definitely you'll get some savings in your savings account. Now let's talk about weekly basis. If you're someone who can save like 50 Ghana cedis per week, if the year ends, you'll be saving 2,650 Ghana cedis. You'll be having that in your savings account. And if it is 100 cedis that you can save every single week, you earn 5,300 Ghana cedis in your savings account. So if it is 200 Ghana cedis that you can save a week, you can make like 10,600 Ghana cedis. So it goes on and on. If it is 300 cedis that you can save every single week, you'll be getting like close to 16,000 Ghana cedis, before at the end of the year. So if you are someone who is thinking that, I don't have enough money and all that, these are some of the things that will help you. Now let's go down to the monthly basis. So on monthly basis, if you are saving 200 Ghana cedis every month, before the year ends, you'll be getting 2,400 Ghana cedis. If you are saving 250 Ghana cedis every single month, you'll be getting 3,000 Ghana cedis at the end of the year. So let's say you are saving 500 Ghana cedis per month. You are going to be earning like 6,000 Ghana cedis by the end of the year. So if you are saving like 2,000 cedis per month, you'll be making like 24,000 Ghana cedis. So all these things that you've seen here, guys, everyone's own is here. So even if you're earning 500 cedis a month, you can still get some savings over here for yourself. If you're earning like 700 cedis and all that, or 1,000 Ghana cedis, you can still save something for yourself. Now, one thing I would like to add before we close this video is that, you see, saving small money is far better than you trying to say you want to wait until the money is big before you go and save. You see, if you are doing that, the year will end here and you will not get any savings in your account. So for me, what I mostly do is that I quote some specific amount for myself, a decent amount. Then what I will do is I will split it on monthly basis, split it on daily basis, split it on weekly basis, and see how I catch up with this. If not, if I want to see the thing, like I want to see the amount big like that, maybe the year will end and I will not reach it or even half of it. So if you want to save, it be small. I believe this video has been helpful. Be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell for more finance videos. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video.